Hey, what's going on everyone? This is Big Brace channel. My name is Amir and this video is going to be some sort of light video. It's not going to be a heavy tutorial, crash course or whatever. We're not going to do any programming tutorials or walkthrough. I'm just going to share with you some of my favorite programming YouTube channels. Those are very subjective. You don't have to agree with me, but I'm going to share with you anyway. So yeah, if you're new to the channel, please feel free to subscribe, hit the notification bell to get notification for future videos. I post videos every week. Sometimes I post twice or even 3 times per week. That's it, I think. Yeah, without further ado, let's go ahead and start our video. So the first programming YouTube channel that I prefer or like to watch from time to time is Computerphile. Now, Computerphile does not, this channel it has something that I really like. It doesn't teach you programming. It doesn't teach you how to write code, how to execute some, code lines or showing you instructions on what to do, at least not in every video. But it shows you a variety of interviews and very interesting topics. So take a look to that. How AI understands image, for example, right? Code optimization, ChatGPT jailbreak. You will find a lot of great videos, right? Password crack, SQL injection. All of these videos are really very important for your brain, because keep in mind that you don't have to learn all the time programming. There are some information that you need to be aware of, and Computerphile really excels in doing that, giving you some really high quality material in a very easy way. Language is very understandable. If you're not very good in English, you will understand, you will still going to grasp what the video is talking about. All in all, Computerphile, I highly recommend that you will check this channel out if you already haven't. Maybe you have, I don't know. So this is my first channel. Let's go to the second one. The second channel is NetNinja. Of course, NetNinja is one of the top YouTube channels in bringing you some awesome programming tutorials, videos, crash courses, walkthroughs, playlists. The channel is full of programming tutorials that can really be seductive for those even who are outside of the programming realm. Flutter, Nux 3, OpenAI, awesome. A Flutter tutorial for beginners, modern JavaScript tutorial, Next 13 crash course, so awesome. This is 8 months ago. Node.js crash course, OpenAI, Flutter, GraphQL, a lot of tutorials. And the awesome thing about NetNinja that they can bring some content creators to, explain and make courses on the channel. So for instance, Godot, this is by Clear Code. This is a Code Dreams or Coding Dreams, I'm not really sure. It's awesome channel as well. And this is the one that I wanted to show you, Next.js. Take a look, it's with Dave Gray. So NetNinja is really awesome. I highly recommend this channel for all of you if you really want to learn about some, not only programming language, but a framework or a library. They have everything here, very organized in playlists. All right, so this is the second YouTube channel that I really love, NetNinja. Let's go to the third one, Fireship. Of course, Fireship, I know you know it. If you don't know Fireship, then shame on you. Fireship is an awesome YouTube channel. Again, it's not going to teach you how to code, but it has a lot of tech news. It has these awesome 100 seconds of different languages. These are popular videos, right? So you have here, where is it? So this is the channel of Jeff, the creator of the channel. Also, he has Beyond Fireship. I haven't seen this one, by the way. Let's go and open videos or maybe playlists. So Erlang in 100 seconds, awesome. I'm pretty sure you know Fireship, or at least saw a video for Fireship. Again, it's not going to teach you, for those of you who don't know Fireship, it's not going to teach you programming or coding or how to code, but it's going to give you, it's going to make you excited about learning something, whatever that something is. JavaScript, Ruby, PHP, you know, whatever. PostgreSQL in 100 seconds, SvelteKit, HTMX. You know, and he has the code report. I really don't remember the exact name. Twitter rebrands to X. Okay, so that was 9 months ago. How to build her, that's interesting. Ad block war. Dropping TypeScript. Interesting and intriguing in the same time. Pascal in 100 seconds. Interesting, I want to watch this. So, yeah, I highly recommend you check out Fireship. They have awesome courses, code tutorials. Yeah, he has here on fireship.io, I believe. Yeah. All right, let's go to the fourth one. The fourth one is academind by Maximilian. Now, I haven't particularly watched. I might have watched one tutorial long time ago for him, but the guy is awesome. He's really dedicated. He's consistent. His way of teaching is very good. So I also recommend academind. I personally love the channel, even if I don't watch the videos, but I like Maximilian's way of thinking and how he structure his channel, how he structure his tutorials, how he explains. You know, he started to make those short videos, 10 Visual Studio Code shortcuts you should know, okay, how to use it. So it's Firecut, AI video editing. That's awesome. I didn't know about that. I might watch that. And I see he has a partner, so he's not alone. He has someone else working with him at the channel. That's great. Right. Sora, this is the, I know this is for AI video generation. CSS in 2024. So you see he has very interesting, awesome themes that he discusses in his channel. Alright, so this is my fourth channel that I highly recommend to anyone who wants to, you know, learn about, again, some programming tips and tricks. Academind is your way to go. Next, of course, CS50. I didn't want to put CS50, Harvard University's Introduction to the Intellectual Enterprise of Computer Science. I didn't want to put this in the first place, but if I'm going to be fair, I'm going to put it in the first place. CS50. First of all, big thank you to CS50 staff, from Dr. David Malin to Jordan Hayashi to Brian Yu to all of the professors teaching awesome materials in CS50. Their teaching techniques is awesome. They do it with such ease. They do it in a very fun way that anyone else who is not even interested in programming, they can grab their attention. And in my opinion, this is very precious. I really love CS50. I personally started to watch CS50 maybe 11 years ago or 12 years ago. I started to watch the first courses for computer science, the hardware, and then the basics for computer science. What is hardware? What's the components inside your computer? The different peripherals. Then they moved to, it was David Malin. There was another teacher with David. I don't really recall his name, but it was great. It was fun. After David, of course, specializes in internet, HTTP. Networking and communications. He's really excellent in delivering the information. This is Dr. Brian Yu. He's an excellent Python. Instructor. I recommend CS50 as your primary source, together with the books and your favorite channels, of course. So if you're watching my channel, thank you so much. If you're watching someone else's channel, that's absolutely, of course, it's very good. But you need to watch CS50 as well, because they're not only teaching you how to do things, they are teaching you academic stuff. And academic is very important if you want, really, if you're looking for a career in computer science, if you want to work in computer science, it's not sufficient to know how to create a functional component or to use RESTful APIs. That's not enough. That's awesome. Don't get me wrong. It's really good, but you need to know academic stuff. And in CS50, you're going to get that. I always repeated that Professor Jordan Hayashi from CS50 is an excellent instructor when it comes to JavaScript. If you want to learn JavaScript, CS50 Jordan Hayashi. If you want to learn JavaScript really, you can go ahead and watch Jordan's videos. CS50, in all fairness, comes in first place for me. Next, there are going to be YouTube channels that I really love. They're not for programming per se, so DistroTube is a channel that specializing in Linux distros, how to use Linux, the fun things about Linux distros, some tips and tricks and what to do and what not to do. This video is awesome, by the way, how to be a Linux user. It's really fun. Yeah, don't forget to watch that. How to fit in with the Linux community. So if you're a Linux enthusiast like myself, you will love this channel. Derek Taylor does a great job in this channel. I like to not watch it, but I like to hear it as a podcast, listen to what he has to say. And he has very intriguing, interesting videos. So, hey, why is Windows better? So why is Windows better, right? Don't you love paying for software? Okay. I know the majority or the big majority of software developers use Microsoft Windows, but I know that a lot of software engineers use Linux. So I personally develop on Linux. Obviously, when I do my YouTube tutorials, I don't use Linux because I know the majority guys, you use Microsoft Windows. So I really don't want to create my YouTube tutorials using Linux because this might put people off. So some of you will say, oh, what's that? Which operating system is this? We are used to use Windows, right? This is Linux, this is Mac OS. Already when I do on WSL, people start to ask, oh, what's that? Is this Windows? What's that operating system? And it's just Windows subsystem for Linux. I use it sometimes when I code on C or on Haskell. So yeah, again, DistroTube is a great channel, fun channel. If you want to, have some awesome like podcast type of videos about Linux, distros and all of that, DistroTube is going to make you happy. All right, the next one is for the Arabic speakers, academind tarmeez. Now, academind tarmeez is a great channel for all of the Arabic speakers. This is a software engineer. His name is Yarub. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing it correctly, even in Arabic, and I speak Arabic. Yarub. He's a really smart guy and I like his videos. So anyone who's interested in learning programming in Arabic, I learn from him sometimes the terminology in Arabic because it's interesting for me. So I didn't know that a string is in Arabic called silsila nassiyya, and so on and so on. I don't want to bother you with this, but again, this is geared towards Arabic speakers. If you want to learn programming in Arabic, academind tarmeez is your way to go. Next is a crazy channel, Tsoding Daily. This guy is I don't know what to say about him. He's genius. He's just genius. The guy, I don't know how the hell he can, write code without looking to anything. The guy is a programmer, really a programmer. Not only because he types code, he might have great memory. He can memorize code. It's not big deal. The point is not that he writes code without looking to a reference or to a script or whatever. No. The point that he structures the code in a way that makes really sense to everyone, and the way that he remembers methods and what to do and what not to do, and debugging live, because he makes all of his videos on Twitch. After Twitch, he uploads the videos on YouTube. For example, here it's written here, Look. I made a Russian programming language. That's crazy. The guy's Russian, I understand. I am Egyptian, but I will never in my dreams create an Arabic programming language. I will never. First of all, because I don't want to. Second of all, because it's extremely hard. Extremely hard. You need not to do anything else in your life. So I'm not saying that in a bad way. Of course, Tsoding, he's a genius. He's a crazy genius. This guy is crazy genius. I respect him very much. Again, you're not going to learn anything from him. Not in a bad way. I mean, he's not going to show you what to do in a structure, in a scripted way, like all of us YouTubers or programming YouTubers do. Maybe he has something scripted. I honestly don't know. But I recommend that you watch only one video. You'll be addicted to this guy. Also, he was the reason why I got into Haskell, or why I started to learn Haskell. I bought books. I'm learning, and I'm trying to prepare a course now, like a course for beginners, like the one that I'm preparing for Rust. Yeah, this guy's crazy. Watch him just out of fun. And I'm pretty sure you will, even if you will not like him, you will find something interesting in his channel. Look, even his the way he makes his обложки, how to say in English? I mean, you know, a lot of languages in my head. The thumbnails. The way he makes the thumbnails is insane. It's simple. It says a lot. Look, what's that? Rabbit, hare or har programming language. It automatically will intrigue you and will let you, you know, interested in knowing what's that rabbit programming language. But on top of it, there is he doing UI in C to piss off the React devs. Windows development on Linux. He has a very good sense of humor. I think I talked a lot about him because I really admire this guy. I will leave the link to all of those YouTube channels in the description. Next we have NickWhite. Again, this is not your typical YouTube channel for programming. I like this channel very much. NickWhite is a software engineer. His way of explaining things is very good, very easy to follow the logic of the story that he's saying. He's not going to tell you how to render a page or how to create an SPA using Vue.js or Angular, but he's going to give you some of his experience. Now, he has a lot of experience with companies specifically. I like the channel because of this. You know, his ups and downs and rejection letters from companies. And when I was watching a video about the clever programmer, I don't want to bash anyone in this video. I don't like to do that. I don't like to talk trash about anyone. Let's keep it positive. But anyway, this clever programmer, he had an ad about his channel or his website, and NickWhite trashed him in a very funny way. I must say that. If I will find this video. Right, okay, that's not the point. So anyway, guys, NickWhite, if you want to check these channels out, he has awesome material about his point of view regarding different topics. Apologizing to tech lead. That's interesting. I want to watch that. I will watch this after I finish recording. So yeah, guys, take a look to NickWhite's channel. Again, I'm not sponsored by anyone. I love these channels just because they're awesome. Let's see what we have next. TheCodingTrain. TheCodingTrain is a great YouTube channel teaching you JavaScript using the P5, I think. The P5, yeah, P5.js framework. He uses P5.js a lot in all of his tutorials. He's not using regular vanilla JavaScript. The reason why I like TheCodingTrain is his consistency. Yeah, so check the TheCodingTrain channels out. I will leave again all of the links in the description below. And that's it. Back to Computerphile. That's it, guys. This was my top 10 YouTube channels. Thank you so much for watching. Please tell me in the comments below. This is very important. Let me know what is your favorite YouTube channel for programming? Yeah, what's maybe your top 2 or top 3? You know, be generous. With that, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Till then, stay safe and be well. Take it easy, guys.